Here is an easy mindset tool that could help you relax when it comes to playing the guitar. Imagine coming home from work and you're stressed out and tired. You don't feel like doing anything. You just want to literally lay in bed all day. But you see your guitar sitting there in a corner and you always want to play the guitar, right? But it feels like a job. It feels like some type of job and you don't want it to feel like a job. In this video, I'll teach you exactly how to make the guitar less as a job and more as a fun way to play. Focus on fun over perfection. Now write this down. Focus on fun rather than perfection. Because a lot of I said write it down. And hopefully you wrote it down. But a lot of guitar beginners, we always want to be perfect. We want to get this down now. We want to be able to play this thing now, right? But you got to understand, you got all these other things that you're working on as well. You're a busy person. If you literally have a job that you're working on, you got this task that you have a deadline for, take that stress off with the guitar. It doesn't have to be perfect. Literally just start playing, right? If you practice, if you just try to make it perfect, that's where the stress starts to come in. Let me say that one more time. The minute you try to make it perfect, that's when the stress starts to come in. Reframe your brain from the guitar as another task or a job. Make it as a mini break instead. Make it as a fun way to relax. If you're over here doing assignments like practicing the guitar and you're thinking it as another job, that's gonna demotivate you from trying to play it over and over again. That's the hardest, actually not the hardest thing. Because every single day, it's like doing homework from school, right? I know you come home from school and you gotta do some homework that you don't wanna do. This is the same thing here. If you treat this as a homework, it's not gonna be fun. But if you just treat it as a way to express yourself, get the emotions out, get the stress out of your head, that's gonna give you that slight more advantage compared to every other beginner. Cause I was in your page too, when I just don't feel like playing guitar. But when I switched the perspective, that's when I started moving a lot faster. That's when my progress started moving a lot quicker compared to others. I treated this as a fun way to express my feelings than just a regular job. That's today's lesson. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.